Hey guys, this is my 1998 Murray with 20 with the Briggs & Stratton's 300 series. It's 148 cc's, 4.5 horse foot-pounds of gross torque, whatever that means. Danger, keep hands and feet away. Caution, do not operate mower without guard or grass catcher in place. My friend said it had a sharpened blade. I checked it. Yeah, it's sharp. Grass catcher. I just got done mowing with it. I'm getting ready to mow some more. Engine made in the USA, which I think now they're making them in China. That's what I heard. Check how much gas is in it. And half tank. I just mowed my yard and I saved some parts just for you. It's got a brand new E3 spark plug. I guess if you guys want, you can stop and pause all that. Pause the video and read all that. And that. Or that if you want to. Now the motor's still hot. See Briggs & Stratton's primed 3 times. I'm gonna set you up. Stupid train, right when we start filming.